So Nomad recently launched its new super slim case for the iPhone 14 lineup. And they come in two different colors. You have the carbide gray color, which is this right here. And you also have a frost color as well. So let's go ahead and unbox the Nomad super slim case, and you can see the texture gives you that nice grip. And I'm really liking that carbide colorway, but let's definitely not forget the frost color because it brings its own unique look and feel to the table. And after my hands-on time with the Nomad Super Slim, my biggest takeaway is that this case is for those that do want protection, but also want to maintain the phone's relative form factor. And this case makes that possible, and you can see some of the protection that you would come to expect from a Nomad case is there, but in a very featherweight form factor. So obviously if you work in a factory or something and your phone's always taking abuse, this is probably not the case for you. But as you all know, there are plenty of case options if you find yourself in that particular scenario. With that being said, there are plenty of people out there that the super slim case would be ideal for. And here you can see the Frost super slim case paired with the space black iPhone 14 Pro. And I have to tell you, it's a pretty good looking combination. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comment section. But another thing I appreciate is that matte textured finish is somewhat grippy, lessening the chance of it slipping out of your hand. And that's coupled with the super slim design featuring 360-degree coverage, chamfer cutouts for buttons and ports for an even more elegant design, and of course, as you would expect, the raised camera bump for added protection for your iPhone 14 camera. Now, if you followed me for a while, you know that for several generations, I went completely without a case. I just used my iPhone by itself, no case at all. And my reasoning for that was that, Apple designed these a specific way. Why not truly enjoy the design without immediately covering up the phone's true feel and aesthetic? And if you feel like that, and I know there are some people out there that do, then perhaps this is a case that you want to give a shot. I think it's a fairly good compromise in that it doesn't completely take away from the aesthetic of the iPhone and draw attention to itself. It's sort of just there low key, as long as you're realistic with your expectations. So if you're interested, now is actually a good time to head over to Nomad because they're offering 25% off all their products for a limited time. And that includes, of course, the super slim case for iPhone 14. Check the link down below in the description for more. Now, Nomad also recently launched the limited edition version of its ultra compact 30-watt fast charging USB-C power delivery equipped transparent power adapter. Now, besides the transparent shell, what makes this charger special is that it's a GaN charger that can provide up to 30 watts of power in the basic form factor of Apple's 5-watt adapter. It's just a little bit larger than Apple's 5-watt adapter, yet you're getting 6 times the amount of power output. So that makes it a very attractive device just based on size alone. You can see how it compares to Apple's 20-watt adapter. It's noticeably smaller, yet provides more power output. So this thing is great for recharging your iPhone, your iPad, even your MacBook Air if you want to. But where I find Nomad's 30-watt power adapter particularly handy is when paired with a HomePod Mini, which requires a power adapter connected to the USB-C port. I find this smaller power adapter is just more handy when plugging into power strips and things like that. Check the link in the description for more details. This is Jeff with Cellular.